Okay, so far we have seen about the world map and India map, and of course a very important topic was covered as a 12th standard CBSE repeated question related to the India mapping. We have also seen about it. So at last this class is going to be end with the flags of nation. Okay, so there are a lot of nations available. In that I'm going to choose a little few nations and it's a map. Okay, so first we'll start with our country India. So India map have a three different color: orange, white and green, and the middle having the chakra blue color. Okay, this is the India map. You can easily find it out. Okay, there is no confusion, but still more somebody will confuse whether the orange will be come at the top or a green. So don't get confused. Always the orange will be come at the top. Okay. So and the next question, next is let's start it from the beginning. First, when Afghanistan. So you want to remember one thing. Always the country which is always related to the Muslim religious, like a Muslim religious country, always have two color, black, green, or some Urdu letters. So this is a three basic tips to find it out the Islamic flag very easily. Okay, what are the two tips have been given to you? You find it out black, green color in the flag, and you will find it out a moon and star. It represent that Islamic. And a third, you will find it out some Urdu language. So these all represent the Muslim country flag. So Afghanistan is also some Muslim leading countries. We have that not Muslims, Islamic related country. You have that black and green color combination. In the center you will have the red color combinations. Okay, so first we'll see that Islamic related countries, then only you will easily find it out. And then next you will have that Iran. I've told you that green will be there and some Urdu letter is having that. So you will find it out Iran like this. When the top also you will have that Urdu, and down also they have the Iranian language. And then next you will have some Urdu language and also having the black color and red color. This is a Iraq. Okay, so this is a Kuwait. So Kuwait also having the combination of the green, black and red color. Okay, so next if you move for the some Saudi Arabia, it's having a Urdu and language and the green color. And same like a Pakistan having the moon structure. Okay, so the Turkey also having the moon structure. The United States of Emirates having the combination of a red, green and black. Okay, so mostly the Islamic oriented country have the three color: black, red, green. Other than that, we have some Urdu language, and will have some moon and star. These are the main identification of the Islamic oriented countries. Okay, so this is a tip one. Next we are going to see about the Australia, United States of America, United Kingdom and Norway. So these are the four countries which is related to the map. See, first see the Australia. In Australia, we'll see a background of blue color. In the top of the left corner, you will find it out the red color. Okay, so as like a United Kingdom, similar, exactly opposite. So blue color background. In the top of the only, you will find it out this red color, this shape. But it's fully with this red color line. See here, this is also having a blue and red color combinations. So we will have the blue color at the top and the red color horizontal line will be there here. So if you take some Christian oriented, maximum Christian people lives in the country will always have these combination blue and red. So you can easily find it out on that basis. Okay, so like a Norway, Australia, America, United Kingdom. So these are the countries which is highly in the Christian Union. Okay, so these are some clue to find it out these country. And the next is the Bahrain. So Bahrain will have a different mapping. See here, it's like a fence like shape. So white and red. Next, Bangladesh. So Bangladesh is also have a maximum, it's an Islamic, so red and green. So next, Belgium. Belgium having the black, yellow and red. Next, Bhutan. Bhutan we can easily identify with the dragon picture. Next, Myanmar. So Myanmar is a blue and red in color. Next, Cuba. So Cuba, it's a full of black and we have a partial red color triangle. Okay, next, Canada. So Canada, you have that leaf. Okay, next, China. China, it's a full of a red color flag and you find it out that some portion will be in a yellow star. And Cyprus, you find it out a cypress tree. Okay, you can easily find it out cypress tree. So next, Denmark. Denmark is full of a 4 block red color block. Next, Arab of Egypt. We have a 3 different color, red and black, in our center white. Next, Ethiopia. Ethiopia is also a 3 different color, green, yellow and red. So France. So France also a leading Christian community, is a leading. So having that blue and white, always there will be a combination. So red. So next, Finland. So Finland, it's a background is a white color and you will have the plus symbol. Not exactly plus because see here, plus is actually Switzerland is a plus. It's not exactly plus, but it's like a plus. Next, German. So German also have a black, red and yellow color. Then Ghana. So Ghana have a red, yellow and a green color. Next, Greece. You can easily find it out. Greece, it's a full of blue line. You find it out E shape. See here, E shape. So Greece, you find it out E shape. So Hungary. So Hungary and India have a similar color, but this is not exactly orange, it's a red, but in between there is a no any chakra. Okay, so next one is Indonesia. So it's divided into 2, red and white. So I told about that Islamic countries. Next, Ireland. So it's a exactly opposite shape, size or position of the Hungary. Ireland also having the same color, green, white and red. Next, Israel. Israel is a 1 star. Italy. So Italy and Ireland, it's exactly a same map. Sorry, flag color. Next, Japan. Japan is a very simple white background with the red big dot. It quite I told you how to find it out, the Muslim leading country flag. So next is Mali, green, orange and red. Next is Mauritius. We're having a 4 different color. I think this is a only country flag. We have a 4 different color in a flag. Red, blue, yellow and green. And Mexico having a green, a red and sun center will be a like this. As a Mongolia, 2 portion is covered in the red and center will be a blue. And a Nepal map is a very different map, and comparing to the other shape of the map, the Nepal is a very different, so you can easily find it on the Nepal map. And next is a Netherlands. So Netherlands also having the red, black and that white is the center. Next you are finding out New Zealand. So almost New Zealand and Australia is the same, but Australia you have the white color star here. Here the red color star will be find it out. Next, Norway. So Norway and Finland are similar shape, but the color between the Norway and the Finland will be different. In a Finland you will find it out a white background. In a Norway you will find it out the red background. Okay, so this is a light blue, like a sea blue is a little more dark blue with have the border white. So next, Pakistan, you can easily find it out the Pakistan because of its a unique moon and star structure. Next, Panama. Panama is also having a block shape, 1, 2, 3, 4 block shape. So diagonal star is available. Next, Portugal. So Portugal is a very ancient place having a 2 color, green and red. So next, Russia. Russia also having a three color, white, blue and red, and I've told you how to find it out, the Islamic leading country flag. Next is going to be a Senegal. Senegal also having a three different color, red, yellow, green, yellow, red, and center will be a green star. Next is Sri Lanka. So Sri Lanka is a very interesting flag. See here, you have some animal, lion. So lion and a knife with the two color sword with the two color green and orange. So this is Switzerland. Switzerland is exactly a plus shape. Next Thailand. So Thailand, it's a combination of red and a blue. Top and bottom you have find it out the red color. In the center you will find it out the blue color. So Turkey and Pakistan is a similar, but the background color is a difference between the Pakistan and a Turkey. So in a Pakistan you will have the green border, in the Turkey you will have the black border. Next Arabian Emirates, I have told you the Muslim or Islamic leading country have a three color, green, black, red. This is a one set, and the second set is a moon and star, and the third one will be the Urdu language. And I have told you the United States, America, United Kingdom and Australia have New Zealand. These four countries have the similar color combination and have a little bit difference. And Vietnam, so Vietnam, it's a background red color and will be a orange star. And next one is Yugoslavia. So Yugoslavia have a blue top, white middle and a red color. Next UNO, you can find it out UNO very easily because the world map will be appear in the flag, so you will easily find it out. Next Zaire. So Zaire also you can easily find it out. You can find this the man carrying the fire, can easily find it out the Zaire area. So these are the some tips and these are the some tricks to find it out the which flag applicable for the which countries. Okay, we can easily memorize according to these tips and tricks. Okay, so we have finished about the knowing about the flags of the nation.